a strong start to the week on the Lal Street today, with Nifty closing over 200 points higher at 24,585 levels. Sensex too gained over 700 points. Most major sectoral indices ended the day in the green. My colleague Ankita Saxena is now joining us with more highlights.
Well, it was a good start to the week. In fact, we had major recovery coming in, in the second half of the day. In fact, we also had a strong July monthly amphi data that came out. We had SIPs that were sitting at record high levels. 28,000 crores is what we have crossed, and the markets were also showing good resilience today. In fact, Nifty closed above the 24,550 mark, mainly led by Adani Enterprises and Tata Motors. In fact, barring three constituents of the Nifty, all the other constituents were trading in the green. Good recovery coming in on Nifty Bank as well. In fact, we recovered almost 450 points from the day's lows on Nifty Bank as well. We were above the 55,500 mark. PNB, SBI were the top gainers. In fact, the entire Nifty PSU Bank basket was doing pretty well for itself. It was up almost 2.2%. In fact, Indian Bank, Union Bank were the top gainers as far as the PSU basket was concerned. If you look at the broader market as well, they were also lending support. Mid caps were trading up almost 0.8%, and small caps traded up 0.3%. Also, all major sectoral indices closed in the green. Nifty Realty snapped 4-session losing streak. Prestige and Oberoi Realty were leading the gains. Nifty Auto also ended in the positive. That was up 1%. Ashok Leyland, of course, was leading the gains. Nifty Pharma rebound from the day's lows, and that also ended in the positive territory. We had Zydus Life Sciences that was leading the gains. Nifty Energy snapped its 4-session losing streak with Adani Power as the top gainer. Now, Nifty IT, Metals and FMCG also managed to close the day in the green. But besides that, we had some individual stock movers like Bajaj Consumers that rose sharply, almost 3.4% on the back of Q1 results that came out. L&T also was up almost 1.5% in trade today on the back of securing contracts from Adani Power for 6,400 megawatts thermal power. Besides that, we had Fortress Health that was sitting at all-time highs. That was up 1.8%. Bank of Baroda up 2.3% on the back of ICRA reaffirming the credit rating with stable outlook for Bank of Baroda. Tata Motors was also up 2.5% despite a fall in profits of 30% dip in PAT, and despite that, Tata Motors was also doing well in today's trading session. So net a good day coming in for the markets.